What to do with your tax refund for those who didn't spend it already. And I know it's been low this year. Some just a few years ago, people was getting 10K. Now we're getting 0K. So what to do with your tax refund or your 0K, right? So get yourself a credit reporting monitoring system. So either what I recommend, MyFICO or Experian, that's what I'm used to. Get a credit reporting monitoring system so you know what's on your credit report. You'll know if a collection hits your credit report, a late payment, or just, what's on it. Number two, if you are building credit, especially for my youths out there, they're turning 18, getting out of high school, or if you're a grown adult and you are building your credit, get unsecured lines of credit. And unsecured lines of credit are credit cards that you fund. So you would get approved for a $200 credit limit and you would fund that. I'll leave links down below to a couple of credit cards that I used during my credit journey when I was building my credit. That's First Progress and Open Sky. They do not require a hard inquiry. A hard inquiry is when an institution pulls your credit and they leave their stamp on your credit report, and that can take up to 2 years to come off your credit report. So get unsecured lines of credit if you are starting to build your credit again. Number three, if you have any debt and you want to lower down your high utilization, use those funds from your tax refund to pay down your credit card debt. And number four, just a bonus, what to do with your tax refund if you are building credit and you need a small installment loan. I recommend getting a self account. I'll leave a link down below to that as well. That's for those who are building credit, have a credit score under 700, under 720, and they can use self credit builder as a small installment loan, and that will build up your credit report. And what self credit builder does, you send them, it depends on the rate, it depends on the amount you choose. You send them $25 to $50 a month, and that is showing, and that's reporting consistent positive payments. And at the end of that term, for me, I had a 12-month term where I paid $50 a month. They give you your money back. So it's like a savings account. And of course, they charge you a small fee, about $40, $50 at the end of those 12 months when you contribute $50 per month. And number five, on what to do with your tax refund, start a business. I recommend starting a business. It can be as low as $200 to organize your business with the Secretary of State. At least for my state of Pennsylvania, I've seen lower rates in other states. And I recommend to start a business because you can get access to business loans, business credit cards that do not report to your business, that do not report to your personal credit report, and business grants. So let's recap. What should you do with your tax refund? Number one, get a credit reporting monitoring system so you know exactly what's on your credit report. Number two, if you are building credit, and especially to my youth coming out of high school and want to get a start on building their credit, get unsecured lines of credit. Number three, if you have high utilization debt, use that tax refund to pay down your credit card debt. So it can lower your utilization and will boost your score. And number four, as a bonus, depending on your credit journey, especially if you're starting to build credit, get a self credit builder account, which is a small installment loan that will show positive monthly payments. And at the end of your term, they refund you that money back with a small fee. All right, guys, if you need any help with your credit, we do credit consulting calls where we pull your full credit report, give you a PDF of the derogatory items we found on your credit report and a PDF of an action plan that you can use to attack those derogatory items. It also comes with free dispute letters and a Zoom call where we discuss all the resources we've given you. Now, these credit consulting calls are not only for people with bad credit. I love getting clients with people with no credit. We show you how to build your credit as well, especially for the youths, for half the price. All right, guys, good luck. Don't spend that tax refund. All right, guys, peace.